What do you do if your ResMed AirSense 10 AutoSet for her won't turn on? If your ResMed AirSense 10 AutoSet for her continuous positive airway pressure machine won't turn on, you might be feeling a bit frustrated. Don't worry, there are some straightforward steps you can take to troubleshoot the situation. First, check that your machine is plugged into a working electrical outlet. Sometimes, the simplest solution is the best one. You can test the outlet by plugging in another device to see if it works. If the outlet is fine, move on to the next step. Next, try pressing each button on the machine a few times. It might be in sleep mode, and waking it up could solve the issue. If that doesn't do the trick, it's time to check the power connection. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet and also from the power supply unit, which is the power brick in the middle of the cord. After that, reconnect both ends firmly. Make sure they are securely plugged in. Now look at the power supply unit status light. If it turns on, that means the issue might be with the machine itself. If the light does not turn on, you may need to replace the power cord or the power supply unit. These components can wear out over time, so it's worth checking. If replacing the power cord does not fix the problem, you might also need to replace the power supply unit. If you have tried all these steps and the machine still won't turn on, it could indicate a more serious issue. In that case, contacting ResMed support for assistance is the best option. Remember, ensuring your continuous positive airway pressure machine is functioning properly is essential for effective sleep apnea therapy. The ResMed AirSense 10 AutoSet for her is designed to provide tailored support for women with sleep apnea. It includes features like respiratory event-related arousal reporting, which helps monitor your therapy's effectiveness. Addressing any issues promptly will help maintain consistent treatment and improve your sleep quality. So, if your machine won't turn on, follow these steps, and hopefully, you will be back to enjoying restful nights in no time.